Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday! Not only do I get to share with you the best deals that I grabbed over at Walmart for the week, but this is also a challenge week. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I will sometimes challenge other YouTubers to see who can score the best deals at Walmart for the week. I do this because, one, it's fun. Two, I get the opportunity to introduce you to other awesome YouTubers. And three, the more deals that we are able to show you, the better. And I know different people have different items in stock at their store. They get different offers on their apps. They get different coupons. So I just thought it was a great way to show you guys even more deals. So this week I challenged coupons with Alicia to see who could score the best deals for the week. If you have not checked out her channel, you definitely want to do so. She is amazing. I am dropping a link to her channel down in the video description box below. So definitely check out who got the best deals at Walmart for the week, because the loser will get one of our kids to smash a pie in our face. So I am nervous because she does some amazing deals. She will either be posting her video today, Wednesday, or tomorrow. So definitely check out her channel and see who won, but you better hope that I win, because I do not want a pie in the face. Last thing before I tell you about the deals, I got a new microphone. So I know a couple of people have commented lately, hey, you're really hard to hear. I want to hear your deals, but I can't hear ya. So I actually bought a new microphone, and I hate learning new technology stuff. And I know it seems simple, it's just a microphone, but I am technology challenged. So this is a big deal for me, and I am hoping it works. I did enlist the help of a friend who walked me through it and helped me make sure that it was gonna work. All right, so let's jump into the deals. I'm gonna start with Ibotta deals. I also have some Shopkick deals, as well as some Swagbucks deals. But let's start with Ibotta. Okay, so these poise pads right here, $4.84. I had a $3 coupon that I used, so I paid $1.84, but the Ibotta app was giving $2 back, making it free and a 16-cent moneymaker. Now, another great deal, and I've decided that this is my favorite toothpaste. It's the Colgate Renewal. It's priced at $6.96, and I can tell you I will never pay $7 for a tube of toothpaste. So there is a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.96. But you can also submit your receipt to the coupons.com app for $3 back, making this completely free and $1.04 moneymaker. Now, one of the things that I didn't like about the coupons.com app just got better. Okay, so what I didn't like is I wasn't 100% sure if the item I bought was going to qualify for their coupon cash back. But now they have a little barcode when you go to the app, and you can actually scan the product just like Ibotta and make sure that the product qualifies before you purchase it. So that's a great addition to the coupons.com app. Another fantastic deal this week with the Ibotta app is on these Neutrogena facial soaps. Okay, they are priced at $2.74. There is a $3 printable coupon that I have linked for you in the Printable Google document. So you will actually pay negative 26 cents. So the full $3 is going to come off when you scan that coupon. So it'll just come off the other items in your cart. Make sure you're buying more than just this one thing. So you'll pay negative 26 cents, but the Ibotta app will give you $3 back for buying this product, making it free and a $3.26 moneymaker. The limit on Ibotta was $2, so I did that sucker twice, getting $3.26 back on each of them, which was incredible. Another Ibotta deal, I bought these Jet Puff marshmallows. This is the 1 pound bag. They're priced at $1.76 at my store. You get $1 back on the Ibotta app, but there is also a Shopkick rebate. So the rebate for Shopkick is 150 kicks back, which is equivalent to 60 cents. So that makes this bag of marshmallows just 16 cents. So if you're planning to do s'mores or you just love the Chubby Bunny Challenge, it's a great price on the marshmallows. If you're not using the Shopkick app yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll get an additional 250 kicks back when you scan your first receipt. If you want a tutorial that walks you through the complete app, I have one of those on my channel as well, and I can link it for you down in the video description box below. Another Ibotta deal, and I thought I wasn't gonna find these. So this is on this Limitless water, okay? I was searching this store, like I went on the soda aisle, I went on the water aisle. I'm like, okay, maybe my store doesn't carry it. So I actually put it in the Walmart app to figure out what aisle it was on, and it said A18. And I'm like, wait, that doesn't make any sense for it to be on that aisle. But I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna try. I totally thought the app was wrong. The app was not wrong. It was with the coconut water. So in my store, it was located where the coconut water is. These are priced at $3.38. Ibotta gave me 2 different rebates back. It gave me the $3.99 for free after rebate, and it also gave me 10 cents back for any water, making this free and a 71-cent moneymaker. I have not tried them yet. If you have, let me know what you think of them. I grabbed the watermelon one, but I'm kind of curious if they are any good. Of course, if you're not using Ibotta yet, if you grab it using my referral code, you will unlock up to $20 in welcome bonuses. And I think Ibotta is my favorite app. I mean, it just has so many great offers, especially including those ones that you get completely free after rebate. Okay, any other Ibottas? I think that was it. Let me tell you about Swagbucks. There were a few Swagbucks deals I did this week. One of them was these spin brushes. These are priced at $7.88. So when you buy 2, Swagbucks is going to give you $20 back. So $7.88 times 2 is $15.76. But you're gonna get $20 back, and it did process immediately for me. So that makes both of these toothbrushes free and a $4.24 moneymaker. I'm pretty sure this offer said you can only do it once per month, but still an amazing deal for 2 free spin brushes and a $4 moneymaker. If you're not using Swagbucks already, if you use my link that I've provided in the printable Google document, you would get an additional $3 back when you scan your first receipt. Another Swagbucks deal I did was on these Skinny Girl salad dressings. They are priced at $1.98 each. But when you buy 2, Swagbucks is giving you $3 back. So $1.98 times 2 is $3.96. You get $3 on Swagbucks back, making it 96 cents for both of them, or just 48 cents each. And this was a product that I thought I would like and use, so I went ahead and did the deal. The last Swagbucks offer, ironically, is the only one I had trouble with processing immediately. And why I say ironically is because this box is the one that's actually on the picture for this Swagbucks offer. So the deal is you buy 2 of some specific cream of wheat products and you'll get $6 back. Well, these are the 28-ounce boxes of the 2.5 minute cream of wheat. Okay, they're priced at $3.23 each. So that's $6.46 for both. You're going to get $6 back on Swagbucks, making it 46 cents for both of them, or just 23 cents per box. So a great price if you like this product. It's not something that I have ever used. Also a super cheap item that you could donate to your local food bank. All right, so those were the 3 Swagbucks offers that I did. Both the salad dressing and the spin brushes processed immediately. These went to pending, but I hit that button right below that says request review. There's no reason it won't be approved because I bought the exact correct product, and it's the one in the picture of the offer. I do, and this is a tip that I've said before, I always purchase Swagbucks offers on their own receipt because it makes it easier for their system to recognize what I bought and for me to get my money back faster. All right, last app offers that I'm going to talk about are the Shopkicks. I already mentioned it with the marshmallows, but there were a couple other awesome Shopkick deals. One being on lunch meat. So a super, super great deal. The premium Sara Lee lunch meats. Shopkick is giving back 800 kicks for purchasing it, 25 kicks for scanning it. Okay, so 825 kicks is equivalent to $3.30 because with Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. Okay, so 825 divided by 250 is $3.30. So I knew, doing math real quick, that that would make for some free lunch meat. So I grabbed a 1/4 pound of, what did I get? The honey turkey. Okay, so these were right around $7.76 a pound, I believe. So I got a 1/4 pound. It came out to $2.49, but Shopkick gave me back $3.30, making this lunch meat free and an 81-cent moneymaker. So great deal if your family eats lunch meat. And with Shopkick, oftentimes those offers will come back. And so it has come back for me already, so I could go snag more free lunch meat the next time I am at the grocery store. Another easy Shopkick offer is on this Harry's shave gel. It's priced at $5.97. Harry's shave gel, is that like not the best name for a shave product? Sorry. Anyway, all right, $5.97. There is a Shopkick offer for 1,500 kicks back. 1,500 divided by 250 is $6. So I pay $5.97 at the register. I get $6 back on Shopkick, making it completely free and a 3-cent moneymaker. All right, did I skip anything? All right, I got it all. So for all of these items, I got back $11.93. So all free, an $11.93 moneymaker, making each item for the challenge negative 81 cents each. So coupons with Alicia, did you beat that number? If not, you're getting a pie in the face. And actually, it did get a little bit better because I got the midweek moneymaker bonus from Ibotta on top of that. So that gave me an additional $3 back, making my total for this haul negative $14.93. So $15 moneymaker for all of this. And so much of it was food, which I thought was super fun. So awesome deals at Walmart this week. If y'all have any questions, please drop them down in the comment section below, and I am more than happy to answer any of your questions. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week. Thanks. Oh.